back to my channel. It's your girl BlendedByDee, and I am back with another video. So today's video is going to be something a little different. It's not going to be a normal hair review or a makeup tutorial. Today I am going to be telling you guys about my experience enrolling in the online makeup academy. So I'm very excited to tell you guys about my experience because it has definitely been a game changer for me. So if you are new to my channel, hey girl, by the way, if you are new to my channel, I am a self-taught makeup artist based out of Charlotte, North Carolina. I have been doing makeup a little over a year now, and my business has been boom. So the online makeup academy actually does have a real physical location. They are located in New York, which I think is like really bomb. So if you do live in that state or in that area, you definitely can go and get, you know, taught in person. Like you can go to a physical class and be with a live instructor, and she literally tells you and breaks down everything. And the cool thing about that is it comes with a kit. Like, what? They do have several different classes or courses that you can take. I personally took, I think, just the MUA experience. They do have like the FX. They have more like advanced training in makeup and different things like that that you can take if you're interested in that as well. This course does come with a certificate. So like that goes back to me saying you don't necessarily need a certificate to become a makeup artist. As like hairstylists and nail techs, they need a license. As a makeup artist, you don't need that. So literally anybody can become a makeup artist. You just can't call yourself no makeup artist, because you gotta have the experience, you gotta have the clientele, you gotta know the basics. And it's a rough world out here, okay? Like the girls are eating, like, and you got to be up on game, because you know what I'm saying? Especially if you're coming in as a self-taught makeup artist. And when I mean self-taught, like no classes, no nothing. You're literally learning from how I'm learning and how I did learn, which was from YouTube or watching a video, but not somebody literally breaking down step by step by step by step. Also, another perk that comes with actually going through this class and taking this class and completing it, you can be eligible for pro membership cards, and which will take you know 40-50% off of major brands, as in MAC, NYX, brands in that nature. Now, I will say this course is not if you're trying to learn how to do the Instagram, TikTok, crazy contour, heavy highlighted makeup, all of that. This is not the course that teaches that. This course is basically more of a refresher course, a beginner's course. You're definitely going to develop your own makeup technique. That's what makes makeup fun, because your makeup doesn't have to look like everybody else. Like, it's fun. You do it your way. Like, nobody can tell you your makeup is your makeup. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, and you just stand with pride with it. Like, I love that. Like, like I feel like the Makeup Academy definitely answers those little questions, those little great questions that I think MUAs have sometimes. Like, you know, I think they answer everything very thoroughly. And then you do have a live instructor, so you do have homework assignments too. You have a live instructor. Like, it's really interactive, and I really love that, especially because it's online. And I feel like you also learn better too. Okay, let's do this. I feel like when it comes to doing makeup and learning and taking classes and like things like that, I really feel like you will learn the best online. And I say this because, one, you can have as many playbacks as you would like all the time. Like, you literally, it's not no 1-2 day, you will have the playbacks all the time. Two, well, majority of the time. Two, you can literally see up close, personal, literally what she's doing. You don't have to worry about, okay, I have people beside me, I don't want to hover over this person if you're in an in-class, you know, setting. Online is literally the best way to learn. I kid you not, because you can literally see every little detail, you know what I'm saying? Not even blew up on no screen, just literally right here in your face. You can come as close to it as far as you need and learn. Literally, it just takes like, if you're willing to learn, like, you just have to be, you know, willing to learn and try new things. My favorite take and tip from the whole academy experience was definitely learning the skin undertones and skin prep. When I tell you, those two have definitely elevated in my everyday makeup application, especially on my clients. Like, it definitely broke it down to the T. And I feel like it was just so like, like somebody really sat here and explained to me the different undertones, you know, how to really spot them out like that. Like, and when I tell you that my skin matching has gone from like literally, this course has definitely helped me. Go join that class. So let me know your experience down below if you do or if you have taken it before. And thank you, ladies, and I hope I helped. Also, yeah, you can use my code BlendedByDee for $100 off this course. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on social media at BlendedByDee. And I'll see you in the next video.